Dear students, this video is for the third class students, chapter number 3, Model of the Earth. Students, in this chapter we will study the model of the earth in different ways. Here are some pictures, you have to write their names below. I hope you can write their names by yourself. Now our first topic is shape of the earth. Students, in the previous video I have shown you by a wall that the shape of the earth is something sphere. Let's study in this chapter. Our earth is called the blue planet and like an orange in shape. Earlier people believed that the earth was flat like a disc. They feared that if anybody would go near these edges, he would fall. So they never traveled to far off places. American astronauts Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin took the photographs of the earth from the moon. These photographs show the earth is like a huge ball. Rakesh Sharma is the first Indian astronaut on the earth. There are flat lands called plains, there are hills and mountains, there are forests and deserts also. Students, here 3 photos of men. First is Neil Armstrong, who firstly go to the moon and take the photograph of the earth. Second, Edwin Aldrin, he is same. And from India, Rakesh Sharma gone to the moon and take the photograph of the earth. Next is, if you look out from the top of a high building, you may see the sky meeting and the land distance. A place is known as a horizon. If you move towards the horizon, it will move further away. This proves that the sky and the earth never meet. The place where the sky and the sea appear to meet is called water horizon. Next is globe. Students, you have many times seen globe. Students, I hope you see the globe not in the picture, also in the reality. Globe is present in the school, offices and other places where it is necessary. Our principal office has also a globe. On the table of the principal ma'am, there is a globe. If you don't see a globe in real, you can see there. Okay, let's study. This is a picture of globe. A globe is a small model of the earth. Only a globe can give a correct picture of the earth as a whole. This is round like the earth. The earth rotates on its axis. It rotates from west to east in 24 hours. We cannot see the total surface of the earth at a time on the globe. To see the other surface, we have to rotate it in the globe. It has some blue areas. There are water bodies. Now map. Map is a conventional representation of the earth, whole or part of it, on a flat surface drawn to scale. Different pictures, features and details can be shown on the map. Different colors and symbols are used to show different features and other details. The country and world maps use symbols to represent cities, rainfall, temperature, etc. These symbols are shown by signs placed on the map at the correct place, and a key is provided at the bottom of the page to show what is sign mean. There are types of map in which political, physical and climatic, etc. Students, a political map shows the boundaries of states and countries, including cities and capitals. A physical map shows the natural features of India like land, mountain, valleys, water bodies, islands, desert, etc. Climate map is depiction of prevailing weather patterns in the given area. They represent the climates of a region, continent or the entire world. A collection of maps of different parts of the earth compiled together as a book is called an atlas. Means a book of maps is called an atlas. Here major directions are the important parts of the map. They help us in locating places. There are four main directions: north, south, east, west. They are taken from the center of every map. The top of the map shows the north and the bottom shows south. The right of the map indicates east and the left indicates west. Students, here our chapter is over. I hope you understand the chapter. Thank you.